Hi, thank you for stopping by. I'm going to be giving you a tour of my personal dressing room. Let's go. So first here on the wall, I have these cute little decorative gold frames with like it has cherubs, and I just love these. I got these at a VA Vintage in Virginia Beach like thrift store, and I just loved the elegance of it. So I definitely got those. My room color of my wall is Heirloom Rose. It's a beautiful color, and I just thought the name was just very elegant, so I love this color. And we're gonna go ahead in. So we're gonna start here at my vanity. So when you first look in my room, I have my vanity. I have little mantras on my vanity to help me get through stuff sometimes when I'm going through some things. I also got this chair. You can find this chair. It's on my Amazon storefront. Jaretha Arlette. I love this chair. It's white and it has like the quilted look to it, and it just seems very elegant. I think I got it for like 67. I think I looked the other day and it was like for 50. I think I got it for 69. It's now like 54 or 57 on Amazon. So be sure to stop past my store. I'll be sure to include the link in my in the description. But yeah, I love this chair. Of course, this is the Alec drawers from IKEA. I got two of those, and that's the regular desktop. The mirror, I was looking for one of those mirrors with the bulbs on it, but I was having a really hard time finding one that had really good reviews. So I went ahead and got one of these. I do like it. I will say that it doesn't give me enough light that I need. So I did get this extra light from Walmart. Same thing with my mirror light here. This mirror light, the light doesn't shine enough for me. I don't know about anyone else, so I have an extra light above here, just like here, just to give me extra lighting. So because when I'm doing my makeup, I like all the light, honey. I want all the light. So yeah, I got these extra lights from Walmart just to give it a little bit of, you know. And so just some cute little things. My desk right now is cleaned off. Usually if I do my makeup, of course, there's makeup stuff everywhere, but luckily with the drawers, everything's kind of put away. I have my brushes here. I have my brushes here in this little spinny thing. I love this one. I'm going to be getting another one because I saw one that was a little bit more cute. When I first got my vanity, I saw this and I just got it, but I want something a little bit more flashy, so I saw this really cute one with these little crystals on it, or I don't know, little diamonds on it. I think I'm going to get that one. Off of Amazon. That's also on my storefront, but I'm going to be getting that one just to give it a little bit more elegant look to it. And I have this lamp here, and this is just like a regular reading lamp I got off of Amazon, but I use it sometimes if I'm filming and I just need a little bit of extra light, very easy. I can shine it at my face or whatever. So I use that sometimes if I'm recording here and I just want a little bit extra light from this side because there's a light coming from that side, so sometimes I use that for that. I have my little spinning tray with my lipsticks and makeup and beauty products on it. I love this thing. I love it. And then we're on my wall here. I have this cute picture that I got from Burlington like years ago. I just love it. It's elegant. It says Chanel. Can never go wrong with one of these pictures in your room. It just makes you feel a certain way. And up over here, I have this cute little bookshelf I also got from Vintage VA. I love, like, it just gives this elegant look. I just love the details on it, and it looks like a mantle to me. Like when I see that, it's giving mantle. Like I should be able to hang something like Christmas ornaments from here. And I might, who knows. And before I just had like simple black ones. But they weren't giving. I like things that give me feminine energy. And these fans, they're giving. They are giving feminine energy, okay? So, yeah, I love these fans. I got them from Walmart. And, of course, over here, you see, I'm not going to zoom in on it, but this is my vision board where I like to just sit back and just immerse myself in all the things that are yet to come. And if you've been watching my videos, you know my vision board last year was amazing, and I'm ready for another amazing year, and things are starting off really good. So yeah, getting the life I deserve. Okay, so over here I have this cute little statue. I'm trying to look for like a satin cloth to kind of go over this little black plant holder, pot holder, but I'm having a hard time finding just a nice satiny throw to put over that's the right size. I don't want it draping in the floor too much, so I may end up having to, like, you know, get my own fabric and just sew the edges, but I'm trying to not do that because I don't feel like it. But if push comes to shove, if I don't find anything within the next month or so, I'm gonna have to do that, because I don't know if you can see it in here, but it's just this black plant holder, and it really doesn't give elegance. Of course, I have some clothes here, some workout clothes here, and my shorts and things and sweaters. And this is where I like to sit when I write in my journal. So, you know, I'll come here, have this cute little scented thing, smells so good. But I have my cute little journal here, and I will write in my journal, and then I will sit here and I will just go into my vision, and I will just, you know, see the life that is coming. And, you know, also when someone comes into my room, it's great that they can come here and sit and talk to me while I do my makeup, or while I sit at my desk working on my computer or anything like that. So yeah. Okay, and over here, kind of in this little cut area, I have just like I found this cute little sunglasses thing, and it's so cute because it actually, like, it would fold up. Like if you were carrying it somewhere, it would fold close like that. So cute. But yeah, it just has like my sunglasses on in it. It came with some. I'm not a huge wearer of sunglasses. I just kind of wear them for fashion. I don't really wear them to block out the sun because I love the sun beaming into my eyeballs. But you know, you always got to have some cute glasses. Some outfits just, they need glasses. So yeah. So for my dressing, like my closet organizing area, I kind of have things sectioned off, and I have the color coded hangers in the sections as well, because I'm extra. Okay, I'm just an extra person. It just makes me feel a little bit whatever. So over on this side here, I have my shirts. I try to kind of keep them color coordinated, but I'm not like a nut about it. Velvet hangers. These are also in my Amazon store. I love them. They have little notches here, but I love these. These are the ones that are like the color of my room. So when I first decided to get velvet hangers and I saw these, I was like, ugh, I got them. So I bought them all up. But then even when I bought all of them up, it wasn't enough for like all my clothes, so I had to section things off. So here I have my pants hangers, which are mainly for jeans, because for slacks and everything, I don't like to fold those. So these are really just for my jeans, and these are like the L-shaped kind of hangers where you kind of just slip the jeans in. And I do like to have all my jeans folded and flipped a certain way, just to make it uniform, because that's just how I am. And then you can't see, but down there I have like my workout gym shoe area, and I put that back there because those shoes aren't really for show, so if they're covered by the chair a little bit, it's perfectly fine with me. Then in this area is where I hang all my long dresses and my my, you know, pants, romper, whatever you call those, jumpsuits. And, you know, as you see, some of them even go all the way down to this bottom here area here. So yeah, and these are all black velvet hangers. I'll just take out a piece. But they're cute, like, velvet hangers as well. They're also on my Amazon storefront, but I love them because they also have hooks here. So sometimes if you have the outfits that kind of have the little plastic thing here, you can also hook them there. Or if it's like a tube top, like tube top dress, a lot of times they don't have like anything sleeve to hang up here. And sometimes the loop is really small, so you can't really pull it up here very well, but you can easily hook them into there. So that's what I loved about these hangers. So in this section, it is the black hangers. And then I also have this cute little thing from Amazon. It's a belt holder. This is also my Amazon storefront. And this is where you can just hang all your belts. It comes in twos. I gave the other one to my guy. But yeah, it's a really cute and convenient way to like just have your belt all in one area. And I know sometimes you can fold them up and put them into drawers, but I like to be able to see them. In this area, I have like some cute little purses up here. And then I have like my little section here. The wall back here was looking very plain, so I went to Hobby Lobby's and I just got some pictures that kind of made me feel elegant when I looked at them. So I got this picture, and I have these candles here. And these are like just, you know, candles that you... Sometimes if I'm in here and I kind of just want a mood, you know, and I definitely want to get me some more because I just like the softness of these, but I kind of need more place in other little areas so I can like just sit in here by candlelight sometime because I just love that. Here I have my mini perfumes. I have some more pictures that I put down there, and then I have like my little jewelry here. I love collecting mini perfumes. Like, I'm obsessed. So you see I have a lot of the good ones. So yeah, I just love the minis. I love the convenience of having so many different options. You know, I have these here. And these perfumes I have had for at least, I think I got these back in 2017. And as you see, like this one, you know, it takes me a while to go through perfume because I don't wear them all the time. I'm not a person who, I'd rather wear like some body spray more often. And these are just kind of for like when I'm wanting to feel extra sexy and I'm going out. So the minis work so good for me. And then we have... This unit comes with 4 drawers. So these are 2 separate units from IKEA, and I kind of set them up so that this part would be in the middle. You could have had it next to the wall, but I just loved it being in the middle with clothes on each side of it. And then down at the bottom, you know, there's some shoes. I have some really cute glitter. So I'm all about looking cute even when you're very casual. And I have these cute shoes that I got from Dillard's. They're Steve Madden, and they're like... They're extra shiny. I love them. I wish they had them in red so I could feel like Dorothy. And then they also had them in the flip-flop version as well. So, very cute. Next we have our short dresses and slacks here. Or any type of, like I have a couple, this is a short set here. And here's another short set. But they're still considered short-ish. So they go in this section. Have a couple purses down here, and then like brown sandals. And then over here I have my purses, and then some purses that have shoes that kind of coordinate with them. So yeah, there's those. Then over here we have my shoes, the shelf. This is also from IKEA. This is the Billy shelf from IKEA, but of course I got extra shelves so I could, you know, have them enough for my shoes. There was a door here, but I didn't want a door taking up space, swinging things open. So I have this curtain. It's really pretty. It has embroidery on it in white as well. I also got the curtain rods over the windows and over these to match, so it kind of pulled it all together and still gave like that elegant look. I'm all about feeling feminine and elegant. Like, I love it. No matter the price, it's all about the feel that it gives you. And then, so the closet, I'm not going to open the closet wide. It's not junky in there. It's still neatly coordinated in there. But yeah, that's where, like, you know, I also have my laundry, like my dirty clothes. I didn't want a hamper in here, but I don't want to go all the way down the hallway to the laundry room for the hamper. So I do have like my hamper and everything in there, but that's kind of just closed off. You know, hair products in there, and, you know, my pedicure stuff in there, and all that sort of things. That's what's in there. I love these cute, and these are like really soft. I got these from VA Vintage too in Virginia Beach, and they're just, I love them. Like, they feel so pretty. Like, this is embroidered. Like, you hear that? Like, it's not painted on. Like, it's cloth, and these are embroidered on it, and it's just so pretty, and I love it. So guys, thank you for watching. That is a tour of my dressing room. I hope you like it. I love it. I love it in here. This is like my space in the house where it's just for me. Like, you have to knock to come in here. If I'm not in here, you shouldn't be in here. Like, it's my own little space, and like, I love it. I never had like my own space like this before. So it really makes me just feel elegant. I come in here to, you know, work. I come in here to look beautiful. I come in here to get dressed. Sometimes I come in here to cry. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, so this is just my space away from everything else in the world, and I love it. So guys, I will see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.